You know, I remember a saying that God forgets what we did yesterday, and He only focuses on the present. And I believe we should do that as well. You know, we should start viewing each moment as a chance to live in the present with God and to forget our yesterdays and what we could have done or should have done. You know that saying, wish, shoulda, coulda, woulda. You know, as yesterday is now dead, and I need to start realizing that, you know, yesterday is no longer here. So I don't know, just start viewing each day as a new chance to be that new person that you always wanted to be. You know, a new chance to start over. Another day, another start. Y'all, I can't believe that my bed set still haven't made it in the mail yet, but I'm currently waiting on it. You know, one thing I love about God is He gives each day as a chance to start over, a chance to be different, you know, than who we were yesterday. And I think that's just an ultimate blessing by itself, because sometimes I'll be so hard on myself each and every day for not completing things that I wish I have done the other day, but I just forget that that's why each day is literally a new chance. So around this time, I decided to check my YouTube guides, and I seen that I have over 61 subscribers now, and I just want to thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I would like to give a special thanks to Carly, to Key Shelley, to Official Michelle, to Gresham, forgive me if I said your name wrong, but Greshionlius. Thank you to Alaska, Samantha Bell, Taisha Randell, to Daisha Stan, to Elizabeth Coleman, to Debrianna Belton. Oh my gosh. Belton. These are all my recent subscribers. Thank y'all so much. Okay, y'all, I have been living in this new apartment for nearly a month now. Truth be told, I have not yet to unpack all my boxes. So what we're gonna do is just hang up a couple of my things and just also draw as well. Like if you're a sketcher out there or if you paint, I love to do those things as well. So let's go ahead and hang some of this stuff up and just get rid of all of this unnecessary space. Okay guys, so we have a few pictures and stuff like that I can probably hang up. I got some double-sided tape online, so I'm going to use that to hang up pictures and things because I don't want to put holes in my walls with nails. So okay, I'm trying to see what I want to hang up first. I have a lot of books as well. We have this little mirror. I don't know if I even want this anymore as well. I painted all of these. I really love to paint, but I haven't really, you know, took out time to continue painting. But like, we got this little picture. I may put this one up as well. But for all these books, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these underneath here. So Stanley Cup. Oh, it leaked. No. Okay, let me act fast. It almost hit my carpet, but it didn't. So thank you, Lord. Because my goodness, it was so close to hitting the carpet. The rest of this is business stuff like Bible mailers, my machine. I need to clean this as well. Mailer sticker things. This is a good book as well. If you're a person who struggle with talking to people and communicating with others, this book is really good. So I'm gonna add that under here. Another way I will start my day really good is I will start to clutter out all the things that I no longer need or things that I need to put away. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to hang up is this monthly planner. It's like a dry erase board type of material. So I'm going to hang this one up first. Okay, so I got some double-sided tape. I'm just praying that it can actually hold up. And I don't think I need a big amount of this. Just in case. All right, so I'm thinking about hanging it like probably right here. I put it right next to my closet. So when I walk into my room, I'm directly looking at my planner. I gotta make sure it's really stuck on here. I think we're good. It looks nice. It's purple because y'all know I love purple. It is the month of December, year 2023. Spring footage, clean, Christmas tree, hearts, stars, more hearts, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29, 30, 31. As for these things, this is gonna go in my bathroom. But for these should be really easy to hang up because they're just very light. I still don't have my furniture yet. I'm still sleeping on here. I have a bed set coming in the mail. It'll be here by the 29th, so I'm still gonna sleep on here till then. TV, I'm gonna get a stand because my TV stand that was supposed to come here, it couldn't fit on the truck, so they left it behind. I'm pretty much starting all over with this room, so it's gonna be fun when we start to decorate it, y'all. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to hang up this one right here. Let's add the little double-sided tape. I just added like one piece in the middle. Okay. See, that's why I love to use double-sided tape because I'm not really messing up my walls. Now this picture right here, this is like a baby. This is a baby picture. What if I do like this? Like put this one right here. Put that one right there. Okay, I think that may look good. Okay, so for this tape, I put a piece right here and right there. And for this one, I put a piece right there in the middle. Wow, I just realized I didn't record the whole thing, but that's how it looks. I just put it up. I have to make sure the tape is secured, but okay, boom. This is what the pictures look like in my bathroom. I like it. Okay, so we're about to put some lights around the balcony while it's still sunlight outside, so let's get started. So now we wait till nightfall hits. The sun is almost down, and then we're going to go out there and turn on the lights. It's now nighttime, so we're about to turn on the lights and let's see what it looks like.
Bruh.
It looks really good. Now y'all, this one street we were going on, it had many lights, so that's where we're heading right now. Wait, let me go slow. Do I look suspicious?
Bruh.
Y'all, they're so pretty.
This one's right here.
What, on the right? This one right? Wait, where you see that?
This side, right?
Where?
Like
Oh.
101. Oh, that's beautiful. Watch that car. Right.
They have mostly like fall colors. Just made it home. I know that I said off my last vlog that I was gonna finish the rest of the Christmas tree today, so let's get started. I'm low-key tired. Okay, y'all, so I already pre-hooked everything so it can be more easier. All right, and we got the last one. Let's see, where should I put this one? Yeah, I'm thinking about over there as well. See, I have an extra pack right there, but I didn't feel like doing it. Okay, I know the tree is like blue and silver and white, but I have these cute little like red bows and I don't know if it'll look right, but let's just see what it looks like first. Okay, so it turns out we do have a star and we have some little things to put inside the tree and I think that'll look cute. So let's go ahead and do it. Now the last part is the star. Wait, okay. So here are the final results of the tree. I think the red ribbons added an extra pop to it. I don't know. Okay, so now we're all done. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the vlog because I wanted to make it cozy. I wanted to make it relaxing, peaceful. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure you do hit that like button because that really helps my channel get out to more people. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.